Hey, we're back in business. Gonna get a Yukon plate, for this bike. I had a previous bike. Need a second Yukon plate. The second Yukon plate from the DMV. MSO title, owner's title, and registration from the agency. A Yukon plate. Also thinking about getting side mirrors, a light, thinking about getting a light, 2 side mirrors for this bike, and a RPM. Thinking about getting an RPM and an RPM. 2 RPMs. These are parts I have to order. Suspension rail. Have a chip in it. Chip in the suspension. No gas. No gas. A little bit of gas. Found a little bit of gas in there. Make sure it's properly checked on the regular. Kill switch. The kill switch. Here's the mill switch. Here's a pull start on the little two-stroke 49cc. Right here we have a kickstart on the right hand side. Here's the foot peg and our gearbox, semi-automatic manual gearbox. This one has a starter kit gearbox. Starter kit gearbox on the left hand side. There on the left hand side. And here's the chain. That we're gonna be using on each of them. They each have a different quality chain. They each have a different quality chain for durability and long lasting. We have the X Pro. We have the X Pro and the Mini 40. Thinking about erasing them.